Hello, this is lesson number 34 in our course of creating an automated trading solution for Schwab with Python. At last step 9 for profit taking for our Marcus trading boat. Now we have both step 8 and step 9 ready, and it's time we combine them into the workflow for optimized and easier execution. Let's start with creating Marcus steps 8 workflow. And dictionary. One liner combined steps 8 and 9 single workflow. And okay, we have our, let's call it a banner for the user to notice where the Marcus is at this moment. Now let's include both returns of step 8 and step 9. So for step 8, positions, portfolio review, and step 9, taking profit to self Marcus eligible positions. And now we will return as summary. Step 8, positions reviewed. Sold, profit results, position sold. Total taken would be profit for profit, and sell results will be profit results and sell results. This review should be the quick one. We do not need here parameters as it reviews all positions. This should return combined summary and white banner, the summary which is dictionary and which we included in return, and our banner for the workflow. It runs step 8 and gets the results, which should be eligible positions, or if nothing, it will be just an empty list. Then it runs step 9, profit taking, which receives results of step 8 and performs a decision-making process, which ones to sell. And in return, we have a sell summary. Combines both steps into one result. How many are eligible, how many actually sold, what was the total profit, and the detailed sell results. Why this combined method? Instead of doing one by one each step. Now we have combination of two steps into one simple method. We have this one too. Let's cover all the previously announced modules that we didn't provide it yet. First one is here, position age 24 hours. The second one is execute profit cell. Let's start with execute profit cell, and later on we will cover also the position aged. Method of execute profit cell. It should contain self method, the cell which is a string, the quantity which is a number of what we are going to sell, the current price which is a float, position data, and in return we are going to provide a dictionary. Let's add one line here, execute cell order and update trade results. We'll start because we are going to run some checks for the account first. Is self Schwab info if not counts we success false error not found. But if accounts are found, we are going to take accounts hash, because we remember that it is the crucial part of authentication for Schwab. Account hash equals accounts command and get account should be hash. If not account hash, return too soon for this. Let's put that quite ahead. If not account hash, we again returning success equals to false, and the error in this case will be no account hash found. So, but if none of this happen, so result not sell stock, but another method, place sell order, and it will take symbol quantity and not the kind hash, current price. So my bad, takes current price, but count hash indeed. Count and now if sell result and sell result get success, we are considering the part of the flow where sell happened successfully. Now we are going to update trade record one, trade manager, trade manager, time to update record. So update success trade manager update, not trade record but sell record with symbol price and quantity. Now, after the record update is created, time to calculate the profit, because we're going to that record into the update as well. So update calculated profit, purchase price, positions that data get purchase price. Not get, but this one total cost, which will be position data value, which will be current price quantity, which is logical, and profit will be the total cost. And now the update part, which will turn will return success equals to true, will return a symbol, which will be the symbol that we traded, quantity, which will be the quantity, sell price, the current price, profit, which we want to calculate it, profit must be position data, and order ID, that would be order ID, and record updated success. And we forgot to include also purchase price, which is equal to purchase. So here we can see in all this return the complete order information, what was the purchase price initial. And we covered the part of the if flow. Now let's have our else part covered. Error message. So results get error or unknown error. If so, and here we will return error message. And when all this done, there is nothing other than cover the except part. Exception C, successful, which will be F string, error in profit cell execution, and let's even have string all right. Now let's go with what we just created. The method the method explanation or declaration, it takes symbol to sell, quantity to sell, current market price, full position data. This we need for the profit calculation. We are wrapping all our code in try except. We start with getting account information. After account information, account hash. In both cases, if data is not available, we are throwing an error and using consistent error format. After this comes the critical line, the sell result, which is actually creating a sell order from our Schwab client. We covered this in this file. We provide the required information for sell order execution, number and quantity. By default, this one is taking the current price. And let's just open it to see what it returns. It returns a single number of shares, account hash, order type, which is the market order. And from all this, we are checking if this contains the status of success. Let's check the returns. Yes, it contains the field success. So if it is success, we are calling from our trade manager the functionality for updating the JSON file. Again, trade manager is next in our list of files to implement, so please keep your patience. From there, we are creating an instance of it and updating the trade record in JSON file, which is Marcus Trades JSON file. We do provide the status update from open to close. We record the sell price, profit, and everything else which is mentioned in this dictionary. And we return true or false, true if successful, false if not. Then we are calculating the profit here and preparing the data, and for returning the success, detailed success results, which include the scope of the all relevant data. Order ID, which is the Schwab's order confirmation, and record updated, update success. It means whether the JSON file update worked. We also handle the failure of sell. If Schwab order fails, we are extracting the error message. And also at the end, we are handling the exception. I guess this is enough for this lesson, and next lesson we will close it with the method is position age 24 hours. Let's create it here. Def is position age 24 itself, and we will continue at and see you